video is going to review another rule when it comes to working with exponents, in this case division with exponents. So if we look at our general rule, when we have a base A raised to an exponent divided by the base A raised to a different exponent, then we would write this A to the m minus n. Okay? So that A represents your base. So when we use this rule, we have to keep in mind that the base in the numerator and the base in the denominator need to be the same in order to use this rule, the numerator exponent minus the denominator exponent. Okay? So if we had 2 to the 6th divided by 2 to the 4th, this can be rewritten as 2, and we subtract those exponents. So 6 minus 4, we get 2 to the second power. And so now we say, well, 2 squared is 4. So 2 to the 6th divided by 2 to the 4th is equal to 4. Okay? So again, notice the base is a 2 in the numerator and the base in the denominator is a 2. Since the base was the same, we were able to take the two exponents and find their difference to then do the math. Alright, in our next example, notice here I have 2a to the m divided by 4a to the n. Well, in this case, it is the a that is the base. So notice in the numerator and the denominator we have the base a. So we just rewrite our 2 to the 4th, and we have our a to the m minus n. And of course 2 4th can be reduced to 1/2 a to the m minus n. Okay? So keep that in mind when you do see different coefficients. It's the base, it's that base that you're looking at to determine whether or not you can use this rule. Alright, our next example, 3a to the 7th over 6a to the second power. Okay? Now you can go ahead and reduce 3 over 6 to be 1 over 2. A and 7 minus 2, so that's 1 over 2 a to the 5th. Okay? Now let's say you didn't, I'm thinking about something else. Okay? So we have reduced and we have a to the 5th. Okay? So this is using the rule for working with exponents and division, that when you have this, the base in the numerator and the denominator, we can simply find the difference in our exponents.